Hi friends, it's Andrea over at Sewspire.com. I hope you're doing well today. I'm here to offer you some project inspiration for the weekend ahead, as well as to announce two fun giveaways that I have for you. So if that sounds good, do me a huge favor, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll jump right in. So if you receive my weekly newsletter, which I publish on Thursdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, then you got a glimpse at these fun resin bookmarks that I've been working on. Oh my gosh. When I couldn't sleep earlier this week, I came across this amazing tutorial to make these. I'm going to leave a link to that tutorial down in the notes for you. Please subscribe to her channel and let her know that Sewspire sent you. She doesn't have that many subscribers, and her tutorials are really awesome. This one was basically foolproof. I did everything she said and ended up with this collection of really fun resin bookmarks. Like, if you love glitter like I do, you can see why I am so mesmerized by these. It was a really simple process. I ordered the resin off of Amazon, and the molds for these bookmarks from Amazon, as well as these sweet little tassels. And then I just followed the instructions. It's basically mixing equal parts of the resin, stirring that, then you pour the resin into the mold, add your glitter or other embellishments, and then you let that cure for about 3 days. It's so easy. They recommend that you do wear a mask and work in a well-ventilated area. So what I did was open up the windows. I did go ahead and wear a mask, and honestly, after I was done, I just left the window open for a bit, and the smell wasn't too bad at all. Certainly less odor than like if you go to the nail salon or something. So I wanted to share that with you. If you have admired resin crafts but have been too intimidated to try, I think you'll really appreciate the simplicity of the tutorial that I'm going to share with you. And hopefully you like the look of these and you'll be inspired to try something new. I think that these would also make really darling bag charms. You can see I've added a key fob to this. I want to scout around for like some beads and other fun things that I could add to this keychain and see if that wouldn't make a really darling bag charm. So that is my first share. And then I have a confession to make. I was at Michael's and they had this tool on clearance. This is like, I think it's called a 12-in-1 tool. It's by We Are Makers. I don't know if Michael's is discontinuing that line or whatever, but this is like a $60 tool, and it was on sale for less than $30. I caved and bought it, and I have been having a blast with it. Then I went back the next week and I snatched up the little mini alphabet board, which was also on clearance. My first passion in crafting was paper, and I was a huge scrapbooker. I have a large collection of paper. I love working with it, and I just really found this tool to be so functional. I have another video by a fabulous YouTuber that I'm going to share with you that'll introduce this whole tool to you. We are expecting our second grandchild and first grandson at the beginning of July, and you guessed it, his name is Owen. And so I made this little banner to hang on his bassinet. at the hospital. So when the photographer comes, they have a little touch of handmade love in the photo. And so this was my very first make. I'm sure I could embellish this banner even more, but I'm working on another tiny banner here to hang in the studio. I'm just using some double-sided paper here that I have. So I'm having a lot of fun with that. This tool also makes envelopes and tags. It's got like corner rounders here, and you can make pom-poms with it. It's just like really well done. I can't imagine why they're putting it on clearance, but lucky for me that I got it. So that's one thing I've been working with. So I want to encourage you, get out your paper, get out your paper cutting tools, and have a little bit of fun with that. And then the next thing that I wanted to tell you about, next Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern in the Sewspire Studio 365 live room, we are going to be making pajama pants. So this particular pattern is a simplicity pattern. The number is CS8518. You can find these patterns at Michael's on the end caps by the fabric. They are not very expensive at all. I can't remember what I paid for this, but I think it was around $7. And then you're going to need some 1¼ inch elastic for the waistband, and then between 2 and 2½ yards of fabric. This is a really simple project. If you've ever wanted to start learning how to make garments, this is a great beginner project. And all you would have to do to participate is have your pattern cut out in your desired size, and then get your elastic, have your sewing machine ready to go, and meet us in the live room. I want to extend a special offer to you. If any of you are interested in sewing along with us in the live room, it's very much like Zoom. It's recorded, but only members can watch the recording. It's not published on YouTube or anywhere like that. It's behind our secure paywall. What I want to do to give you a taste of what it's like to be a part of Sewspire Studio 365 is offer you a free pass to Studio 365 to make this project with us. So if you are in fact able to get this pattern and you really would like to sew alongside of us, send me an email, Andrea at sewspire.com, and I will get you in to Sewspire Studio 365 next Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern, introduce you to some of our fellow members, and we'll sew these pants together. So let me know if that is something you would like to take advantage of. I am passionate about this creative community, and I recognize some of you may not know what to expect. So here is a relatively low-risk way for you to experience Studio 365. I just ask that you send me that email, introduce yourself, and confirm that you can, in fact, sew along with us. So that's the first giveaway. This is the darling fabric that I'm going to be working with. It is Alice in Wonderland fabric. It's going to be so cute. I also bought this, so you can tell I had a little lapse here. I'm going to use what I have. I would apologize, but I do need some pajama pants, and it certainly is more sustainable for me to make my own pajama pants than say for me to go and buy those. The other thing that's great about learning how to sew your own pajama pants is you can make as many as you want. So that's that. And obviously while I was there buying that pattern and fabric, that's when I came across the 12-in-1 tool. And then I ended up with this little alphabet board, but I did get to make a sweet banner for my soon-to-be grandson. Okay, the next giveaway I think you're going to be pretty darn excited about. You may remember a couple months ago when I announced my craft box swap and no one participated. And then I had my own solo craft box. Well, it occurred to me with all of the changes taking place in the country and the uncertainty that exists around even prices and inflation and what's going to happen, that that idea is even less feasible. So what I would like to do is just give some fabric to you. So I have this absolutely huge, beautiful stack of designer fat quarters here. I'm going to pick 10 that I'm going to give away to a newsletter subscriber next week. Here's number 1. Ooh. Number 2. All you have to do to enter to win this is be a subscriber to my free weekly newsletter. I'll put a link to that down in the notes. If you already received the newsletter, which I publish on Thursdays at 10 a.m., you are in the drawing. I can only ship in the United States, though. Shipping costs internationally are just absolutely cost prohibitive. So I hope you understand. International guests are welcome at the Studio 365 Sew Together. That's no problem at all. So there is something for our international friends. And we do have international friends that join us on a regular basis. So you will be welcome. Oh my gosh, heaven. Absolutely stunning. Okay, let's see how many I have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 4 more to pick out. 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Okay, let me show you the 10 fat quarters that will be in the giveaway. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you would like a free ticket to the Sewspire Studio 365 room for next Thursday night to sew the pajama pants with us, all you have to do is send me an email, Andrea@sewspire.com, and I will get you in the door. If you would like to enter to win the 10 fat quarter bundle, you have to live in the United States and you need to be a subscriber to my weekly newsletter. I'll put the link to that free publication down in the notes for you, and you can go ahead and subscribe. So I hope you found some inspiration in this week's video. I'm sending you loads of love and peace and gratitude and joy. Until next time, have a beautiful day, and thank you for spending this time with me.